Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix 007 First Light game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC. And after a PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2. Run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So if you have installed the game on Steam, then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, 007 First Light game folder, and then open the retail folder and select this 007 First Light exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it, click on drop down next to GPU preference and then select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to set high performance in NVIDIA Control Panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA Control Panel app and then open it. And then click on manage 3D settings. Go to program settings and then click on add. And from the list over here, select 007 First Light game. So select this 007 First Light game and then click on add selected program. If you do not find 007 First Light game in the list, then you can also click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. You can browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, 007 First Light game folder, then open the retail folder and then select this 007 First Light exe file and then add the selected file. Here you can see 007 First Light game is added, and after adding it, here from the drop down, select high performance NVIDIA processor and then hit on apply and then hit on apply over here, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Now expand the display adapters. Here it is expanded. This is the integrated graphic card driver. Just right click on it and then select disable device and then click yes to confirm. And after disabling the integrated graphic card driver, go ahead, launch the game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back here and then enable the device. Fix 5 is to disable G-Sync. Now if your monitor support G-Sync, then turn it off and then check. And if G-Sync is already disabled, then you can turn it on and then check. Fix 6 is to update your graphic card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphic card via the NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card via AMD Adrenal software. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, in Windows search, type NVIDIA app and open it. Then go to the drivers tab and then here click on check for updates icon. And if there are any updates available, then you can see the download button, click on download. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Now if updating the graphic card does not help, then you can also perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and reinstall it and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option. So check mark this custom advanced option and then hit on next. And then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark this option, perform a clean installation box, check mark it and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can also roll back your graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, select operating system and then click on find. Scroll down, you will see view more versions, and here are the older version. You can roll back to any older version such as 596.49 version or 596.36 version. You have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So you can roll back to any graphic card driver version over here. Simply click on view and then download and then install it. And after rolling back your graphic card driver to older version, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 9 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type a Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. And then click on add an allowed app and then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So if you have the game installed on Steam, then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, 007 First Light game folder, open the retail folder and then select this 007 First Light exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it to the list, go back, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, 007 First Light game folder, open the retail folder, select this 007 First Light exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for the 007 First Light game. This is just an example, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ECT, or any other antivirus program, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can also simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 10 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder. So if you have the game on Steam, then go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, 007 First Light game folder, open the retail folder. Now first double click this 007 First Light exe file and then try to launch the game and check and see if that helps or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and then check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If still your problem is not solved, then in compatibility tab check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down over here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all these three boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 11 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on 007 First Light game and then click on properties. This is just an example, and then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first double click the x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -D3D11, -DX11, or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on 007 First Light game. This is just an example I'm showing with another game, but you have to right click on 007 First Light game and then click on properties. Now in the launch options, type -D3D11 first, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the 007 First Light game properties, and this time type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, this time type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the 007 First Light game properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 14 is to disable overlay, disable game overlay in Steam. So again open Steam, go to library, right click on 007 First Light game, click on properties, and here in the general tab you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. So simply disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, etc. And then launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Disable the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. You will find this in displays, graphics, advanced graphic settings, and then turn it off. So open the Windows settings. On the left, click on System, then click on Display. Scroll down. Under Related Settings, click on Graphics. Then here you will see Advanced Graphics Settings. Just expand it, and here you can see Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. If it is turned on, then turn it off, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If it is already turned off, then enable it and then launch the game and check. Fix 16 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of the tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 17 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the update, just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall 007 First Light game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve 007 First Light game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.